and it has begun. And we spoke about this numerous times yesterday. Welcome back to the channel. Even now, we're still getting breaking news. So, welcome. If you don't know, I'm Damani. I do invest in the market on a daily basis. So, right now is not the time to invest. Right now is the time to wait. As you can see, that down is down 1,600 points in one day. This is the worst it have ever been since 5 years ago. And what's causing this is the tariff. And also, the Federal Reserve went ahead and say, hey, there's nothing that I can do, which is Jerome Powell, nothing that I can do to save this market. Why? Because again, Donald Trump went and the tariff that ignite the fuel of selling pressure, the Federal Reserve answered and said there's nothing again that they can do anytime soon. We're just gonna have to face it. It's the first in 7 years I've been in the stock market. I've seen Nasdaq close over 1,100 points in one day. I have never seen the market sell off this bad before. Not even in COVID, I have seen the market pull down 1,100 points in a day. But looking at the market right now, looking at Nasdaq, for the last 3 years, you can see that we've double bottom. We found support all the way down here at 1,700 for Nasdaq, and that's where we're heading. If you think today was a sell-off, that was just an ignite to the fuel that the fuel that's going to add to the fire tomorrow. Let's just refresh to see what was the numbers like. Of course, initial claim and continuous claim is going to continue to rise. Why? These are going to continue to rise because again, with Elon Musk laying off a lot of people, there's no job to go to right now. So actual what was expected was 24 was 224k. Prior was 225, and again we came in with 219. That still couldn't help us. So continuous claim is right here that was released this morning. So what was prior to that was 18,047 470, and what came in 19,000. Why? Again, these numbers are so high because there is no job to go to. Most people don't have a job because Elon Musk sent them home. So therefore they're continually filing for claim. So when this happens is that now the government have to pay you back for all those years that you have been working for. So in continuous claim continue to go higher and higher, and that's not even the tip of the iceberg. Tomorrow is going to be the tip of the iceberg with unemployment rate. Unemployment rate is going to skyrocket tomorrow. This is just my assumption that it's going to skyrocket tomorrow. Prior was 4.1, expected is 4.1. If we do go even 4.2, boy, I can tell you. You see Nasdaq pull back over 1,100 points today. We could see more than that tomorrow. That's just adding fuel to the fire to burn more. So that's just one of the update that I'm currently watching in the market. But I can tell you this, if you're investing in any stock, this is not the time because the market keep on falling and falling and falling. I spoke about this and I said, hey, this is what I'm doing. If you look at SoFi all-time high, definitely going to see $6. It's at $10.64 now, or $10.60 after hours. Definitely going to see $6. Nvidia, my prediction, and as you can see that Nvidia broke my support at $100. So I'm looking for the next support for Nvidia should be around $90 a share. I definitely see $90, $80 a share for Nvidia. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this support that I have for Nvidia and this one because we're breaking all support right now. We already broke this one, so I'm going to remove it. The next support for Nvidia is definitely $90 to $89. So you can see on the side right here that it's either $90 or $89 for Nvidia. After market, it's trading at $101 a share. Nasdaq is just burning. I called this out and I spoke about it yesterday in my previous video that hey, the right stock to be in now is only SQQ. Don't matter where you get it because There is nothing that you can buy now in the market that's going to either be feasible investment or anything, because look at Reddit. Reddit pulled back more. This is, I don't even know if it's like 70% drop, or let's look, 60% almost. So 60% pullback for Reddit. Apple pulling back, you name it. Any stock that you're thinking about right now, take your mind off it, because it's all going in red. Even the great Warren Buffett stock push up and pull back today. Not so much of a pullback, just 1.4% pullback, but most and everything in the market right now is making new lows. Even AMD formed a new low today at $93.64. That pushed all the way up to 116, is now trading, and it's going to get worse from here, because you can see that the RSIs are still not oversold yet. So there's still way where these stocks are going to break down, continue to get rejected, because of the tariff. And not even just the tariff, even Apple. News are coming out as we speak, as we go over this. A lot of information is coming out. As you can see that Apple suffered the worst drop in 5 years as tariff threatened supply chain, which is China. You can look at Apple stock, $203 a share. This was just, Apple was just trading at what was it? $247, almost $250 a share. And now you see why Warren Buffett was dumping cash, dumping stock earlier this year, because he forecast and he saw all of this happening. This guy is such a genius when it comes to the stock market, because he saw what's going to happen, and he's been around for a long time, so he have seen it, and he looked in the future, and what he did, most of his stocks, what he did, he dumped them, and now he's staying cash, because he knows that the market is only getting worse and worse and worse. Just looking at Nasdaq, you can see that there's no turning back, no time soon, because we're on the RSI, we're still not oversold. We're still above. This is where we would have been in the oversold area in the 16, because the RSI is still holding above 30-31. So therefore, we have a lot of room to pull back. But I can tell you that, stay tuned, like and subscribe, and I will be here updating you as the market pull back. But there's no time soon. We're going up, and tomorrow is going to bring more blood back. Tomorrow, don't be surprised if Nasdaq is trading down here. If Nasdaq is trading at 17,000 tomorrow, it won't be a surprise to me, because I've spoke about this and I've seen it happen. But on the upside, when things are getting a little better, when news are coming out, the tariffs are calming down, I can definitely tell you some of the stocks that I'm going to buy. I will post another video for that. But for now, like, subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel, because I will be updating you in regards to that.